I'm not ETV, baby. Hit me up if you're in Atlanta. Come on. What up, Wallo?
Where your keys at? Y'all looking at Frank?
Yeah.
What happened?
Well, no, what?
Who was it?
I didn't have it.
It was in my pocket.
You might be on the couch. Okay.
Man, what you do with it, though? That's what I just said. Keep making up something, man. That's what I be saying.
You starting something.
Come on, let's go, y'all.
All right. All right. Oh, is it? Okay. Why'd you gotta take it back and get another one? I got one.
Like it got no...
I got a warranty. Yeah. It ain't even been a year. I would get him one.
Yeah, you got a lot of ass on
Yeah, probably. That's why I thought it wouldn't start. Yeah, it is. That's why it went out so quick. But I got warranty. Lifetime warranty.
It's slow.
Yeah, I need another one. Just switch them out. For Lavernia.
Yeah.
You went to Lavernia?
Been everywhere.
Yeah, I was on the road. Wallo, you been on the road. I like driving in your truck going to other places. With three seated interviews.
Yeah, it's easy. I mean, but you got people in the car.
Oh, yeah. Mama, man.
Hello?
Your truck was stolen?
Yes. It was a box truck that was parked out in front, like right in front of your store.
Oh, shit.
Come on, man. Watch out, man. Watch the TV.
You late.
Let her know that she up here, everybody.
Uber delivery drop off for Hollis Neely.
That's just good luck.
So they can come in.
God is more than good luck. Now,
Oh, yes.
my sister's going maybe to play for a month with that evil shit.
Maybe you don't want to put with me no more what?
You feel it? Yes.
I'm on my way. Dang, like, you know what I mean? I was trying to figure out where to cut. I'm like, do I cut it at 30? I don't think the point got across yet, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I looked at it at 30, and I was like, it could, but I see what you did. You kept them engaged, and then it'll go. So what we could do is we could start. We
Ooh. Jam in your backseat sleep, and you rolled off. There you go. He would have looked. Oh, he's sleepwalking. Go, Jizzy.